Germany will be the main subject of this episode. They are in charge of Bitcoin. Did something really crash, or was this just a fix? In response to complaints about the price drop, Ripple's CTO department explained why XRP is important. We'll look at Bitcoin's price using a new study. Before we end the talk, our goal is to figure out how much our current position has dropped and how much we think Bitcoin's price will rise from where we are now. We are using the XRP chart to give Bitcoin users a little boost. Let's start our trip and have fun on the way. Let's start this right away. Breathe. Bitcoin is worth $7,250 now. The price of Ethereum is $3.40 right now. It's gone down 69% in the last 24 hours. It could go up or down. Please forgive me. The value of both the USDT and the USDC is 1.07%. It's still there in their XRP dollar pecs. Do you agree? 43 pennies, and the value of all cryptocurrency on the market is now $2 trillion on the true trillion dollars, or $1,002 trillion, or $1,227 billion, or $1,227 billion. This is an increase of 0.14% in the last day. What do you think? Since these markets went through some changes over the weekend, do you think this was a correction or something else? I'm being told both stories what I know in the start of the bear market. This is a pretty small change. Taking everything into account, Bitcoin is back in the range we've been talking about for a while now. Yes, 57, 60,000, we're back in that area now. At 3,000 Solana, the effect on Ethereum wasn't as big as people thought it would be. The rest of the market was pretty strong, and prices stayed at 140 XRP. To be honest, we're used to its power. You make a good point. Let's see, 43 cents. It never went back to its original range. If XRP could get back to 45 to 46 cents, that would have been great, but we're not there yet. Will we be able to make it there? We might get up there this week, but only time will tell. After everything that happened, all of these things are back to where they should be. Therefore, it was very clear. Should we blame the Germans' empty go, or the fact that Bitcoin had a huge jump at the start of the year and is now fluctuating after a long time of staying the same? 57, 64, 0000 Bitcoins were cut up just now. It's been broken up. It's been going down, hitting 60 and then going down again. Yes, pay attention to what we test. Bitcoin fell below 57, was tested and hit 55, which is a big number. It is now back in that area. A range from 57 to 60,000 is being thought about. This is a big support range. Last night, did it break again? It tried to. It even sent the tweet, which shows that it was really trying. Are they not in the woods anymore? We're still staying out of sight. Should the price of Bitcoin fall below $55,000 once more? Bitcoin will be worth between $48,000 and $53,000, which I think is the lowest it has ever been. This is still the goal for this year, to reach $100,000 in Bitcoin. From there, we would get back on track and start going up. There have been no changes to the goals. Things are still the same. Now, everyone is the same. Since I changed my Twitter name, why are you still trying to tag XRP News Score? Did you see them? I'm still here, and now it's time to say goodbye to Bull. Yes, Winkle, that is the new name. We think prices will go up. We think prices will go up in H2 2024. Please grab these and buy them right away, people. But there is a new item on the market, a set of 4 of these leather coasters. You can get shipping to any place in the world for $4.99. Now go get some for yourself. As soon as the 50 are gone, they're gone for good. I think I only got 50. This is how it works. Metaplanet, a Japanese company that is sold on the stock market, is buying an extra $400 million worth of Bitcoin in US dollars. It says how many Bitcoins there are. If you want to buy Bitcoin, the average price is between 42 and 46. Right now, a total of 23,490,300 JPY worth of Bitcoin is owned. I think the average price to buy one was 203,000 yen, which is a little more than 10 million yen. Are they worried about this small drop, or do you think they're bearish? That's not true. In other words, I don't believe that at all, and I think that smart people are folk. The smart ones are storing because they know this is probably the last of the bad times. So that XRP will be able to beat. At the moment, Ripple's CTO makes the case for XRP. David Heller says that the price is useful. The chief technology officer of Ripple recently talked to the XRP community to calm their growing worries about the recent drop in the price of XRP, which has reached an all-time low. Since 2023, Schwartz has been the major person who talks about Ripple's technology. Schwartz has focused on XRP's main use as a means of exchange instead of talking about how much it might be worth in the future. Schwartz says it doesn't matter how much something costs as an investment. This is especially true for XRP, whose main job is to make it easier to send money. XRP is very interesting. Schwartz says that XRP's value lies in its ability to make cross-border trades quick and cheap, no matter what its market price is right now. Schwartz made it clear that XRP's present market price does not change its main purpose. It promises that users can get enough XRP to make payments and is in line with the value of the coin. Because of this, the price of XRP should reflect how useful it is and how interesting people find its payment system. He really is here, that's true. What does he say? what he said is pretty simple. He says it doesn't matter how much it costs and offers a range of $5 to $10 Well, that doesn't matter. The price of XRP doesn't matter because it's only used to move money between different currencies. It's really interesting. As Schwartz and others have said, I don't think that many people will see those comments as a study of Bitcoin's price. I'm telling you the truth. Based on what's new in the Bitcoin market, this is what we think. They wrote an article about how Bitcoin looks at the MBT Golden Cross. That is the value of the business network. As they look at a golden cross, they look at all the details about how much Bitcoin costs, such as the ask and bid prices it adds. The introduction block says that as of the time of release, bids have been made for 2275 Bitcoin at an average price of $55, 678.48, 678.48, 673. The price of Bitcoin is 56,752 right now, but the bankruptcy heat map shows that it could go up. The short-term closure heat map uses different colors to show how many items were bought and sold in each order. It says in the book that Coinglass had a lot of buyers at $57.50 in 2016 and even more buyers around $58,000. What do they think then? They are thinking about the bad things that could happen in this situation. With regards to Bitcoin, they think that a lot of people are trying to buy it and trade with it. Users of Bitcoin agree that if this holds, 55,000 will be a big area of difficulty for the currency. You can see that the coin has recently gone over 55,000.